Hi, welcome to Sherman Medical. Today in this video, we're going to be doing a demonstration on the all-new GoGo carbon fiber folding scooter. So the GoGo carbon fiber folding scooter is going to be a fully carbon fiber scooter. So the frame of this scooter is going to be all carbon fiber. Without its battery pack, which weighs 4 pounds, the whole entire unit weight is going to be only 35 pounds, making this one of the lightest scooters available on the market. So diving into some of the features on the GoGo Carbon, one of the first things you're going to notice is the seat on this. This does not have armrests like a traditional scooter, so it is just going to be the seat. It is very small. The seat itself is only about 14 inches wide by about 14 inches deep, and your backrest is not that high either, so it does sit very low. I'm about 5 foot 10 inches sitting in this, and you can see how low it sits. I still do find it fairly comfortable, but for longer periods of sitting, some people may not find this the most comfortable. But then again, it is a folding scooter, so thus they can't really put a nicer seat on it. If we're jumping into the display up here, what we're going to notice is we have a fully digital display. So we have the scooter indicator, battery temperature, battery percentage. On a full charge, we're going to get about 10 miles of range. At full speed, this scooter can go about 3.7 miles per hour. Jumping into some more features about the scooter. So one of the things to note is that the tiller itself is not angle adjustable. So it is a fixed position. Your arms are going to be over here in front of you. It is height adjustable, so we could lower this and raise this to a desired height using the lock here. When we're turning our scooter on, the first thing you're going to notice is a lock symbol and this thing that says NFC. What that NFC is a little chip that you get, which is going to act like your key. So you're going to bring this across, the unit's going to unlock and turn on. Here we'll have our turtle, rabbit, or 4 different speed settings. A light switch for the front, so we have this really bright LED light in the front that toggles with the switch. And the small horn button. Jumping into some more features, in the back of the scooter here is where your battery is going to be located. Your battery pack is going to be right here, sits flush with the scooter. You're going to notice that you have the charging port up here in the top right. 3-pronged lithium-ion charger, which comes with the device. You're going to see this big red button here. So in order to remove our battery pack, we're going to push that red button, lower this handle, and pull at the same time, so it snaps right off. This is about 4 pounds. On a full charge, again, we're going to get about 10 miles. This is FAA approved, airline safe, so you'll take this on the airplane with you. Your scooter will go down below in the airplane luggage. Next thing we're going to jump into is the folding of the GoGo Carbon. So they made it super easy and super streamlined. So I have the battery pack off, but it doesn't matter if we have it off or on. With the battery pack off, your unit's going to be 35 pounds. With the battery pack on, we're going to have a 39-pound unit. So I'll put this here on the floor. In order to fold it, what we're going to notice is in the middle floorboard here, you're going to see this handle. We're going to lift that handle up, grab it, and start pulling up. Once we pull up enough, the unit will come together. Once you push it together, click and lock. Your seat folds up. This tiller piece here, you can either leave it up if we're going to wheel this around with us. We could tilt it and dolly it. When we're ready to actually store it, we release the latch here, push this all the way down, and now our scooter's fully folded up for storage inside of a car. The next thing I wanted to go over was opening the scooter. So it's super easy. You're going to see a red latch here straight in the middle. What you can do is push that down and you'll hear a little click. And then you're going to push forward and it's just going to open itself up with gravity once you push forward and give it enough leverage. Thank you guys for tuning into this in-depth demonstration on the GoGo carbon fiber folding scooter. This is a scooter that we are going to try to keep on display here at our showroom located at 14120 Magnolia Boulevard in the city of Sherman Oaks, California. Our zip code is 91423. It is in high demand and it is very limited quantities at this time since it's going to be very new to market. So we strongly encourage customers to give us a call, ensure that we have one in stock at 818-981-9906. If you're someone interested or has any questions regarding this scooter, please feel free again to give us a call or visit our website at www.shermanoaksmedical.com.